Alright YouTube, we're back with another episode, and today we are on our way to the Niagara Cars and Coffee meet. We got to meet up with my biker buddies prior because we're going to roll in together. I'm going to film them some videos, but yeah, just got in the car. I'm going to warm up a little bit, got all cleaned, got home from work a little early today, which was a win. But yeah, we're going to get driving because we got to get to the falls ASAP, so we'll be back. We made it to the meet. We ended up losing all the bikers, but flexes all together, gladly. Everything's good. Everything's minty. But yeah, we're gonna start walking around soon. Guys, we gotta get a walk around ASAP before it gets too dark. What's up?
Hi, I was gonna come look for you.
I'm right here. Red Bull Mini. Another Mini. And these cards. So we'll do a full day. Nice little bug eye. All these guys over here. Biker buddies.
Watch your leg, bro. There you go.
All over the place. Look at these guys. It's pretty sick. Launch M. GTR. Questionable Subaru. More bikes. A Sonic BRZ. Explorer ST. Kia Forte, Audi A something. They're pretty sick. But yeah, busy night tonight. Not even an hour in, I don't think. But we gotta get a good walk around. Gotta cover everybody. Make sure everybody gets in the video. There's Ricky's car. Twin Hellcats. That's actually a 392 with a Hellcat supercharger, and then an actual Hellcat. Both are just as cool though. Nothing wrong with that. Now we're back to us and the F-150, the 1500. These guys over here. Let's go over there. It's more like the classic lineup over here. What looks to be a bagged Hellcat. It's pretty sick. If that's actually a bagged Hellcat. No way in hell. Yeah, it is. That's super cool. Jeez. Look at that. I gotta get a picture of this one. Wrong way. Beauty. All right. Pretty sick. Another classic Stang. Another classic Stang. Then Z06 baller. PT Cruiser. Alright. Alright. More classics. Looks to be a Chevelle. Gets up. 5.0. That body. Look at this one. It's wild looking.
Yeah, she's so funny.
C8. Yeah, we'll pause it here. More. Here's our lineup. Arrow. 1 flex. 2 flex. 3rd flex didn't make it. Oh well. It's pretty sick. These guys finna shoot me. See them, I take a picture because they are just so freaking cool. Damn. RS6. That's something you got the budget.
Dude,
yeah.
That.
Yeah. You drive a wagon.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I don't know. It was some elderly lady who owned them. She literally pulled up in a newer Cadillac. I was like, damn. She's just trying to flex on us at this point. I thought it was pretty funny. Yeah. Yeah, these are some nice Porsches. Camaro on welds. That's wild. Beautiful. These guys are crazy looking. Good night tonight so far. To be the biggest turbo I've ever seen on a car in my life. He revved one time in front of me,
yeah,
and man, was it loud. I mean, I'm deaf, and it was loud.
Did you like my little experience Wednesday night?
What was that? Oh, this shit go, bro. The people are drunk as hell. I've never seen so many. Alright guys, we somehow have to make our way out of the building now. It is incredibly busy. We got Brother Andrew in front of us. He's gonna rev bomb and scare everybody away. Because what other choice do we have right now? There's not many choices, but there's a massive amount of people who are drunk and they are not looking or paying attention or anything of the sort. Making our day hard. But we're about to find out if we can even get out easily. But yeah, this will be the end of this episode after this one. Oh, nice, it's empty. Well, hell, that was easy.